Hey there, it's Brittany, and I'm back with the Bargain Bead Box for May, and the theme is May flowers. This month's collection celebrates the beauty of spring. Quartz, citrine, and yellow jade provide a pastel palette, while focal points include 2 pairs of handmade lampwork glass, flower buds, and a carved golden quartz leaf pendant. Crystal coins and glass accents round out the colorful assortment, finished by a selection of copper finish findings in garden-themed motifs. That's fun. So if you're interested in subscribing, you also get a 30% off coupon each month for their sister store bargain or bead box bargains. And if you're interested in subscribing, please use my affiliate link below and you'll get $2 off your first box if you use coupon code turquoise. So let me put everything together and we'll see what. Okay, so here is the shipment key. And they're saying that the approximate total retail value for the shipment is $65. All right, so let's see what we've got. Number 1 is an approximately 14.5-inch strand of 8mm violet quartz, and they're dyed round beads. They're still warm from my mailbox because it's like 100 degrees here today. Oh, I had a patina party today, so excuse the paint all over my hands. These are cool. These are cool. They look like a little bit more dull than amethyst, but I could possibly use them with some amethyst. Number 2, approximately 1 meter of 5x12mm steel Lumachina, I'm not sure. Jewelry chain, lead, nickel, cadmium free. I used to use this style of chain a lot when I was making jewelry for Etsy. It's not really my favorite because it's a little dense, but I like it, and you can probably use this for several different applications. Okay. Number 4 is a 34x9mm carved golden quartz leaf pendant. Very nice. This is actually really pretty. I like that color. It's very pale yellow, like almost like a butter, but not actually. It's even paler than most butter. Number 5, approximately 8-inch strand of 6mm spiral faceted crystal coin beads, light lilac. Those are pretty. Think that these would be, I guess I'd need to put them next to like a rose quartz to see if these are pink or purple. I think they could be swung either way. Like if they're next to purple beads, they're going to look like purple, but if they're next to pink beads, they might look pink. They're really cute. Number 6, approximately 8-inch strand of 6mm spiral faceted crystal coin. Oh, okay. Coin beads, lavender. Okay. These are these the same? They don't seem the same, but I guess they are. I like these more. These are really pretty. I like the color a lot. I guess they are. It seems like the sides of these are more rounded, but they're not. They're just the same beads, but 2 different colors. Okay. They're pretty. Number 7, 2-piece 41x29mm filigree focal links, lead free and cadmium free. And then we've gotten these before. They're pretty, but we've gotten them before, probably several times in different colors. Number 8, 4 sets of 20x17mm figural flower toggle clasp, lead, nickel, cadmium free. These are pretty. Like I said earlier, I had a patina paint party today with my friend Julie and Cindy. We went to Julie's house and patinaed everything, and these would have been wonderful to patina. I think like a little bit of color in that flower would be really pretty. These are really pretty. I haven't seen these before. Number 9, 10 pieces of 15.5x10.5mm leafy branch links. We've gotten these before for sure. They're pretty. Number 10, 19x31mm 3D leafy branch pendant link, lead, nickel, cadmium free. That's cool. I don't know that it screams spring, but it's pretty. I think if we lightened it up with some green or something, then it could say spring, but I think it's a little heavy. I think it would, not like heavy, weight heavy, but like visually a little heavy. It's pretty though. I think I would paint it for sure. Number 11, two-piece 10.5 by 12 millimeter lampwork glass flower bud beads, lavender. These are so nice. These are gorgeous. I love those. Very pretty. Those would be really pretty earrings. Number 12, two-piece 10.5 by 12 millimeter lampwork glass flower beads in magenta. So the same beads. I think it's interesting that they're giving us more than one thing, like the crystals in 2 colors and then the lampwork beads in 2 colors. I think that's interesting. Approximately number 13. Oh my gosh. Approximately 15-inch strand of 4 millimeter cat's eye glass bicone beads in spring green. Well, we haven't gotten cat's eye before. I would probably use these before just regular green bicones, but we get bicones every box. Number 14, 10-piece 15 by 9 millimeter pressed glass leaf beads, Citrine AB. Those are fun. Number 15, approximately 7-inch strand of 10 millimeter pink quartz dyed round beads. These are pretty. Very pretty. I like that pink. See, like this color and this color screams spring to me. I don't know that this is a fall color to me. It's pretty, but it's more fall. Like this is more spring. Very nice quartz beads. Number 16, approximately 15-inch strand, 6 millimeter yellow jade. They're dyed round beads. And they say yellow jade is the trade name for this pastel variety of quartz. So it's quartz still. Very close to the color of that leaf that we saw earlier. Number 17, approximately 7.5-inch strand of citrine. They're heated chip beads. Citrine is my birthstone, so I really like these. Very pretty. I love those. I haven't used chip beads in a very long time. Number 18 is a 10-gram bag of 9 millimeter 3-leaf chevron bead caps, lead and cadmium free. Really like these. These are cool. Very neat. And number 19 is a 10-gram bag of 11 by 13 millimeter wavy leaf spacer beads, lead, nickel, cadmium free. So the only gripe I have about this is it's 7 beads instead of an even number. And yes, I know they measured them out to be 10 grams, but measure them out to be 12 grams if you can just get one more bead in, or, you know, however many grams. Just do 8 beads. Like, especially for those of us who like to make earrings or make symmetrical things, 1 bead's not really going to help, but they're really nice. I think they're actually kind of heavy and they're very nice. Okay, so not my favorite box just because it doesn't seem very cohesive. I like some of the spring colors, like these colors together look really nice. I think the darker colors and the copper weighed down the thought of the May flowers and spring. I would tend to use maybe brighter gold or silver with these lighter colors that you associate with spring. However, I do like a lot of the components that were included. I'm sure you saw me just toss away the eye pins. We all know my thought process on that. If you disagree with me, that's great. But again, I don't think it should be counted as an item in a box. That's all I'm going to say about that. But I do like these beads. I like things individually. As a cohesive unit, not so much. Will I use these things together? No, I'm not going to do that. But I will use them separately. So let me know what your favorite thing was. Like I said, I think I really liked these. I loved this pendant. And these purple beads were really cool. So let me know what you think. Stay tuned for Goldie. She's super cute. And if you want to subscribe to Bargain Bead Box, check out my affiliate link below, and you can save $2 by using the coupon code Turquoise. I hope you have a fantastic Mother's Day. Bye-bye. Where's Goldie? She's not in her bed. She's over there. Because it's hot. Are you hot? Yeah. I've got the air conditioning on, boo. Yeah, you're so cute. Yeah, hi, cutie baby. Hi. Say hi to your friends. Hi, friends.